All right, what's up, algebraic reasoning students? Joining new unit. We just took a test last week. We did a little intro to domain and range, something we're going to be using. So there's that. This is going to be needed, very much so. Okay, we need our yellow notebooks so we can take notes. Okay, this is all about parent functions, all that good stuff. We are going to start. What page is that? Oh, great. There are no page numbers. Interesting. Actually, there are. Page 12. Page 12. We'll start with some vocab. We'll get that out of the way. Vocab that we'll be needing. So might as well get that done in the first video, shall we? Okay. Let's go ahead and do that. Oh, fancy transition. Look at me. All right. Some vocab. Oops. Wrong way. There we go. Some vocab. The lowest y value of a function of a graph, the valley of a graph. This is the minimum. Minimum? That doesn't look right. Oh well. Okay. Minimum. We're gonna worry about examples later. We'll just say what those are. So we got a minimum of a function. Let's see. What else we got? The set of all possible y values on a function. That's the range. Okay. The point where the graph intersects the x-axis, the ordered pair has a value, a y value of 0. This would be the x-intercept. Okay. The point where the graph intersects the y-axis, okay, the ordered pair has a value of 0. This would be the y-intercept. Okay, there's that one. Let's see. The highest y value of a function, a peak of a graph, this is called a maximum. Okay. The set of all possible x values, there's our domain. That's all the x's. Let's see. Horizontal line that a function approaches but never touches. So it's like this invisible boundary. This is going to be called an asymptote. Okay, that was fun. Something just fell. Oh well. Okay. Sorry, I was trying to help me remember to look at the camera. There we go. Asymptote. Vertical line that, so here's the next one. Vertical line that a function approaches but never touches or crosses. A vertical line that, okay, whatever. They're both asymptotes, okay? Just one's vertical, one's horizontal, okay? So that's all it is. Functions that share opposite characteristics and attributes like x and y intercepts and domain and range. We're gonna save that one. That one's gonna be one we're gonna add later. Okay, so there we go. The whole point of this particular unit is all of these parent functions. We're going to introduce these parent functions. I'm going to tell you about their different key characteristics. We're going to compare and contrast. So it's going to be a lot of like, hey, this one's really similar to this one because of this. Or like, hey, this one's really different than this one because of, say something else happened or whatever. Just different characteristics. So that's kind of the idea. From there, it's going to be moving beyond the parent functions and seeing like, hey, if we move these around a little bit, can we still recognize the shape? Can we recognize those characteristics? Domain and range are going to be a big part of this, so we're going to be hammering domain and range home a lot. So this is just our intro. 9 more parent functions to follow.